Okay, this is lesson 3, the angle sum of a triangle. We went about it in class today. We learned all about it. And basically all the angle sum of a triangle means is that the 3 interior angles of a triangle will always add up to 180 degrees. So it doesn't matter what kind of a triangle you have, the 3 inside angles, which we call interior angles, will always add up to 180 degrees. Okay, so this angle A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, which means this angle plus this angle plus this angle will always equal 180 degrees. Now, what that does is if we're given 2 angles, we can find the missing angle. So for example, let's say you're given angle A, and angle A is 50 degrees. And let's say angle C is 35 degrees. Well, basically, we can plug in angle A and angle C right here. So we substitute in for A, 50. We still have B, that's the one we need to find, and C is 35 degrees. And we know that they are going to total 180 degrees. So angle A, which is 50 degrees, plus angle B, plus angle C, which is 35 degrees, all those 3 angles together will total 180 degrees. So we're going to use the algebra that we know, and we're going to combine like terms. So if we do that, we take 50 plus 35, and we have 85 degrees. So we combined like terms, and that's 85 plus B equals 180. Now, we're going to subtract 85 from both sides, and we end up with 17 minus 8, so that's 95. So we end up with 95 degrees. So B equals 95 degrees. Now let's see if this is accurate. We need to test it. So we're going to plug in for A plus B plus C equals 180. Let's substitute in for A, 50, plus B, which is 95, plus C, which is 35. And let's see if that adds up to 180 degrees. Well, 50 plus 95 plus 35. Let's add those together. So 5 and 5 is 10, 9 and 5 is 14, and 1 is 15, and 3 is 18. So 180 degrees for angles A, B, and C. And basically that's all we learned about the angle sum of a triangle. Now, the next lesson was having to do with ratios. So let's say that the measure, let's say triangle EFG measures ratios of, so the angle ratios for E, F, and G are 2 to 4 to 5. Now, what we're going to do is we want to find each angle measure. How are we going to do that? Well, what we're going to do is we're going to take, the one thing we know is that this angle plus this angle plus this angle, or angle E plus angle F plus angle G, must add up to 180 degrees because we have this symbol right here which indicates it's a triangle. So we know the interior angles of any triangle add up to 180 degrees. So I know the ratio of the angles are 2 to 4 to 5. So I'm going to take 2x plus 4x plus 5x. And I know this angle plus this angle plus this angle is going to add up to 180 degrees. Now we're going to, again, use our algebra and we're going to combine like terms. 5 and 4 is 9, plus 2 is 11x equals 180 degrees. Now, let's take 11 and divide both sides by 11 so we can isolate the x. Well, 180 divided by 11, 11 goes into 18 once. 8 minus 1 is 7, 70. So then 11 can go into 70 6 times, 66, and then we end up with 4 left over. So that would be 4/11. Let me do one where it doesn't come out quite like that.